Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X1 key. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key blade. Once released, gently pull the emergency key blade completely out of the fob. This step is crucial as it reveals the next access point for opening the key's casing. It's a simple first move to get you started on replacing your key battery. Now that the emergency key is out, you'll see a small slot along the edge of the key fob. Take a small, flat tool, like a jeweler's screwdriver or a coin, and gently insert it into this slot. Carefully twist or pry the tool to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The two pieces should come apart with minimal effort, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the small, round battery inside. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new one correctly. Gently pry out the old battery. Most BMW X1 keys use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Make sure it sits snugly in its compartment. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the two halves together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Once everything is secure, test your key's functions to ensure it's working perfectly. Remember, a fresh battery makes a big difference. Also, if you're looking for ways to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.